How to log out of X or Twitter account. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to log out of X or Twitter account. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your X or Twitter applications on your device. Sign into the particular account which you want to log out from. Then tap the profile icon at top left corner of the screen. On this left panel, select Settings and Support and tap Settings and Privacy. And then tap Your Account at the top of the screen and choose Account Informations at top of the screen. Here you will get the bunch of informations, but to log out, you need to select Logout button. A menu box appears saying logging out will remove all X data from this device. So if you are confirmed, tap on the logout button and you will successfully log out of X or Twitter account. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.